welcome back to my channel. So today I have the June releases for Happy Clouding here. I can't wait to show you guys these because once I film this video then I get to actually use these stickers myself. So I try to film as early as I can. Okay, so let's get right into it. The first week I released the Tulip Kit. I'm trying not to release too many kits at once just because I've got so many icons and drawings that I'd rather get into first. I've just been using those a lot more, so I've been spacing these out a bit more, but I really love this kit. Even though it's the dead of winter right now in Australia, this is a very spring summer kit, so I look forward to using this when spring finally arrives. But this is the Hobonichi Weeks version here. And by the way, this artwork, as usual, is done by Violet. And then we've got the vertical kit. So that's the bottom strips, check boxes with glitter headers. Then we've got some quarter boxes, half boxes, activity boxes, labels, scripts. And then we have the date covers. And then we have the full box. So I'm the one who came up with all the extremely cheesy quotes that you see in all the kits. Tulips are better than one. I don't know what was wrong with me. I'm very sorry. But anyways, this was released in week 1. And then I think I'm getting the weeks a little mixed up. But I think the next week we released, I say me, this script sticker, Me Time. Actually, let me move this out so you can have a better look. I'll zoom in. There we go. So Me Time in large and medium. And then the week after that, I love this one because I actually use this actively. I released a bunch of icon stickers around social media because I'm doing a lot of social media planning, and I used to schedule them way up ahead in advance. I still would like to, but I've kind of lost traction on that, and so I tend to just upload on the day when I have time. But I do have to shoot all this ahead of time, so it does let me see on my content schedule when things are coming out. So we have the LinkedIn, which I don't use this that much for my online business stuff, but I do use this for my offline business or my offline career. YouTube, and you can see that each of these, unlike the usual icon stickers, these ones have 2 types. I think I interchangeably use these, and I thought, there's so many of them. I'm sure like people would like to use them differently, but I think if I get enough feedback that people just want to have one type, then I would probably try that. Then this is TikTok, WordPress, or blogging. I personally use WordPress for blogging, Snapchat, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and of course Instagram, which is like where I do most of my posting. So I've been really looking forward to finally using these ones as well. And then I decided to do another drawing. I think I'm going to try doing drawings every single month. The one I decided to try and do this month was pizza, because we do eat quite a bit of pizza at our household. We make most of our pizza. Tobias has this really great recipe where it's like a very fully whole grain pizza base, and it's very thin, and I love it. It's my favorite pizza ever, so we do try to make that as much as we can. I have tried to vary it a little, where I have like a meat-based pizza and then a vegetarian pizza, but they basically look the same, so I was like, don't know if that was worthwhile, but I put that in there anyways. I'm trying to give at least 2 variations in a sticker kit with each of my drawings, so I'll see how that goes. Sometimes I think I should add more, but then other times I'm like, but some people just want to use the same one. I kind of want to have one sheet for each drawing or doodle or whatever you call it first, and then just see how they go. And then in the last week I released these script stickers for running. I haven't really taken up running again. I used to run quite a bit, but I do go for little walks, so I sometimes use this in place of it. But yeah, that is everything that came out in June. All these stickers are available now in my Etsy sticker shop. I haven't uploaded all these stickers now are available in my Etsy sticker shop. I will link them all down below. I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you have any sticker requests, please let me know. And thank you so much. If you have any sticker requests, please let me know. By the way, thank you to everyone who answered my little community poll. I know in the last release video I mentioned that I created a Happy Clouding channel, but I've been going back and forth on that so much because I don't know if I can spread myself so thinly on 2 channels. So I think I'm actually going to be uploading my Happy Clouding videos on this channel, and then just kind of let this channel morph into whatever makes sense. You guys are right, Happy Clouding, A Beautiful Fable, even though they're not the same thing, they are quite intertwined. So I'm just going to utilize this channel, see how I go, and yeah, take it from there. So thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.